Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Muskingum County until 8 p.m. At 5 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rolldale, High Hill, and Blue Rock State Park. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.
Now looking at the weather. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Morrow County, eastern Marion County until 7 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Cardington, or 7 miles west of Mount Gilead, moving east to 25 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Mount Gilead, Cardington, Caledonia, Edison, Chalk, and Iberia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Here is a special weather